Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn post drafts using Buffer, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn website. Log in to your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home page where your feed is displayed. Locate the section for Create. Click on the Start a Post button to open the post editor. Here, you can create your draft by entering your desired text, adding images, or including links. To save your post as a draft, simply exit the post editor without publishing. Now, open a new tab in your web browser and go to the Buffer website. Log into your Buffer account with your username and password. If you do not have an account, you can easily sign up for a free trial. Once logged in, go to the Posts section of your Buffer dashboard. Click on the Add a Post button to create a new post entry. In the post editor, navigate back to your LinkedIn tab and copy the content from your draft. Paste the copied content into the Buffer post editor. You can modify the content if necessary, or add any additional links and media. Next, select the appropriate LinkedIn profile or page to which you want to post. Before saving, double-check all elements of your post for any final adjustments. Once everything looks good, click on the Schedule button to set a posting time or add to queue to send it later. After you schedule your post, it will now be safely backed up in Buffer for your chosen date and time. To confirm your post is correctly scheduled, you can navigate to the Queue or Posts section. You can also return to your LinkedIn tab to verify that your original draft remains untouched. You have now successfully backed up your LinkedIn post drafts using Buffer. For future use, remember that you can repeat this process with any draft you want to save or schedule. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.